Our story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2019 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, power steering, home link garage door opener, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.